Hello viewers, today I like to show you how to factory reset Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let's have a look. First, launch settings. Swipe up to scroll down and tap additional settings. Go to the bottom and tap backup and reset. From personal data, tap on erase all data, factory reset. It will erase all data including account, contacts, photos and apps. So tap on reset phone from the bottom. 10 seconds for last warning. Factory data reset. Factory data reset will erase all data on your phone including photos, songs, notes and other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items to your computer. So tap on next step and it will start resetting your phone. So in this way you can factory reset Redmi Note 7 Pro. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.